Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the Teesta river. Number 1. The Teesta river flows through India and Bangladesh. Number 2. It originates in the Himalayas. Number 3. The river is nearly 414 kilometers long. Number 4. It flows into the Jamuna river. Number 5. The river floats during monsoons. Number 6. Fish are abundant in the Teesta river. Number 7. The Teesta river has scenic beauty. Number 8. Teesta barrage controls its flow. Number 9. It is crucial for hydropower projects. Number 10. Teesta river is a lifeline for many villages. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.